Hey guys, Oli here. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, Art and I are currently working on my office. So I wanted to take you guys on a little tour of just the items that we have in here and give you just a full in-depth rundown on everything. Just a full-on tour. So let's get started with some items. Now I do want to mention that there are some items that we are currently waiting on that are back ordered. Like for instance, we have a picture, a painting that is actually back ordered. We're waiting on that. We have another like cabinetry thing that's gonna go over here. And then Art is actually making some shelving that's gonna go in the corner over there for these little nooks. So, and that is obviously back ordered because Art is so busy. So anyways, one thing after the next. So these shelving, they're gonna be so awesome. He's making them out of felt and plywood and walnut. I know. I cannot wait until they're done. So when I can get him started on that, I will definitely show you. This desk Art actually found, and he found it through Herman Miller, and it's called the Area Desk. And he found it and really fell in love with the walnut on it and the white. Showed me, I loved it. It has storage. It has one big drawer that goes in there, and then these top ones, you can stick things inside of there as well. And obviously it has cable management and all the 9 yards. I want to show you a little bit just of the details of the desk. I definitely want to show you this drawer and just these little cubbies that it comes with. These are so cute, and the cork, love that. And I want to show you these. You can pop these up and then you have more storage and cable management throughout there. So that's pretty cool. And then this is the desk though. Look, it's really sleek. That is the word I'm looking for. It's super sleek and super just perfect for the space. Well, while I am at the desk and sitting down here, since it takes me so long to get up nowadays, let's move on to the chair, which I absolutely love this chair. Not only because it has a pop of color, but it's so timeless. This chair is by Charles and Ray Eames, and it is a very lightweight aluminum frame and just super timeless. You just can't go wrong with this office chair. It's beautiful. Simply just completely beautiful. The stitching, the aluminum, I mean, this is like a work of art. Just all the mechanisms and everything that it just took to go into this. I am very smitten and I love it. This is it my favorite chair? It might be my favorite chair. I don't know. But and it's super comfortable. I love it. Super comfortable, comes in a slew of colors. We went with the yellow because I felt like orange, I don't know. Well, the carpet is green, and I don't know, I feel like yellow and green are like a good combo. Well, I'll keep the trend going. Since I'm down here on the ground, I might as well just get all the things that are low out of the way. The next item is this USM Haler file cabinet. We actually found this item first and fell in love with it because of the chrome. And okay, this might be something that you think is weird or odd. I love to file. Yep, that is one of my quirks that you guys are just gonna have to deal with. Art likes it because he hates filing and he hates organizing, so it works out. We're a great match. Anyways, this USM Haler file cabinet is not complete because I still need to organize it and get all my stuff in here, but I just haven't had time. This file cabinet, it has inspired my chrome into the chair, into some other pieces that we're going to get. And we're actually going to get a little matching, we're just waiting on it, a matching USM Haler nightstand cabinet, but it's not gonna be white. We are waiting on it. I think it was an 18-week lead time. Actually, was it 24 weeks? I don't know, but worth the wait. Now, I know for sure this is Art's favorite piece. Not only is it his favorite, he had to beg me to say yes on these. These are Charles and Ray Eames airport benches from the 50s. These are originals. Art found them on First Dibs. It's a website that sells like original pieces and amazing stuff. You can drool all over. But yes, so these tandem airport benches are so awesome, and they have chrome. So that goes with the chrome. I'm like, scrunch down, get that view. Just the design of these are just amazing. Let me give you the up close view of these babies. While I am still down here on the ground, we might as well go over this again. The sofa bed that Art redesigned from a vintage sofa bed that he had saw. Solid walnut, upholstered by a local upholstery guy. And all you gotta do is move this mechanism forward to make it a sofa, move it back over this hump to make it a bed. This is a twin size bed just because the room is pretty tiny. A full would not, it would just be too big. I haven't really talked about the rug too much. It is a rug. So here it is. This is just a sample piece that they gave us, just so we can see the color, just to make sure that it is what we are going to be getting. But it's green, and I love that it has like a bluish gray yarn that goes through it. Art had to convince me on this one too, because I was like, green, a green rug. I was like, I don't know about that, and it's super shag. And then he's like, aren't you going for the Mad Men look? And I'm like, yeah. And he's like, this is so Mad Men. So anyways, this is the rug. Let me give you a close-up. Okay, this is the rug. Super shag. I'm trying to see if you can really see the color of it. And the greens and kind of that bluish gray yarn that they kind of woven through it. It's awesome. I'm not sure how the vacuum would feel about going through this. Haven't tested that yet, so we'll just try and not, you know, spill any crumbs on this. So I literally don't know how the vacuum would deal with this. Never vacuumed a shag before. I know I already talked a little bit on my Instagram stories about Michael Murphy with Supersonic Mod, but we love his artwork. Absolutely love, 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 love. We had these framed down in Redondo Beach by a framer, and this is solid walnut frames. And let me show you the other one as well. We have another one upstairs, but I'm showing you guys this room. Solid walnut frame. He does such great stuff. So seriously, check out Michael Murphy on Instagram, because you won't want to miss all of his mid-century modern, just all of his prints are amazing, and they're all numbered and signed. So you got to keep that flowing. Okay. Next, I wanted to show you guys these little book holders that we got in Santa Monica. I always get mixed up. I'm like, was it Venice or was it Santa Monica? These were from Santa Monica, but this lady's shop, she is obsessed with flea markets, and she travels like to Europe and all these other places. And she got these in Paris at a flea market there. We didn't have any book holders, so we thought, why not? And they're super cool and one of a kind. All right, I know you guys have seen these, but this is the flock. We have so many birds now. Ah! And then also this one on the file cabinet that is magnetic. And then also, I know. Also this guy, the tall one. So I am a cat lover and apparently Art is a bird lover. He found Millwork Modern on Etsy and then found him on Instagram, and he just couldn't stop. He literally could not stop buying all of the birds. So now we have those, the flock over here, these guys right here, and then, but I mean, he threw in Millwork Modern, threw in these two guys. This little magnet one is so cute. I love that. And this little guy, it's adorable. You can't let any walnut go to waste. So I feel you, I feel you. Now we got a flock of birds and I think they're really cool. They make me happy. So I went over pretty much everything in our office so far, and I can't deny that Art has been a huge influence and or just help with designing my office / studio. He has better design aspects than I do. He has better taste than me. I know, it's crazy. A guy has better taste than a woman. Yes, he does. Sorry, I had to get my drink. They say 6 dates a day. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys like our channel, subscribe. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. And of course, until next time, maybe my items will all be here and I can give you the full grand tour. All right, until next time, guys. Adios.